from Spaceport India Foundation. I am Kavalya, studying 7th class. Today I want to talk a few words about asteroids. Yesterday, all the astronomers around the world eagerly observed the movement of hazardous potential 1998 OR2 asteroid. It didn't cause any harm to the Earth and it just flew away by that. And coming to asteroids, let's know something about asteroids. Asteroids are small rocks in our solar system which revolves around the sun, and they are sometimes called as planetoids, and they are mainly found in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and this is also called as asteroid belt. And asteroids are formed in the early formation of solar system around 4.6 billion years ago. And the first asteroid was discovered by Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801, and he thought that it is a planet and he named it as Ceres, which means the Roman goddess of harvest. And then in 1802, William Herschel named it as asteroid, which means like a star as it shines. And the asteroids are mainly made up of iron, oxygen and silicon, and metal asteroids are made up of 80% of iron, nickel, and 20% of nickel, palladium, iridium, magnesium, gold, platinum and others, and many precious elements too. There are three types of asteroids. They are C-type, M-type and S-type. C-type asteroids are cylindric asteroids. They are mainly made up of silicate and clay. They are dark in appearance. And S-type are stony. They are made up of iron, nickel and silicate. And M-type asteroids are metal asteroids. They are mainly made up of iron and other metals. The total asteroids which are discovered up to now are 4,700 potentially hazardous asteroids and 150 million smaller ones. And coming to the size of asteroids, the biggest asteroid is Ceres, and the brightest asteroid is Vesta, and the smallest asteroid is 10 meters in size. And coming to the classification of asteroids, there are three types of asteroids: the main orbital asteroids, Trojans and near-Earth asteroids. Main orbital asteroids are lying between the orbit of Mars and orbit of Jupiter, and this is also called as asteroid belt. And Trojans are the asteroids which involves in the orbit of other planet but doesn't collide with that planet. And Earth has a Trojan too, which is founded by the NASA. And coming to near-Earth asteroids, they are nearby the Earth, but they cross the Earth. They come across the orbit of the Earth. And coming to the 1998 OR2, it is the first time to flew away this much near us by this asteroid from the discovered date to now. And this asteroid is called potentially hazardous because of its size. It is 140 meters, and if it hit our Earth, it may cause environmental disaster for our Earth. So it didn't harm our Earth. And the 1998 OR2 asteroid flew away by yesterday is in the distance of 6.3 million kilometers, and this is the picture viewed by it. And coming to the shape of this is irregular, and it is also viewed as it is wearing mask because of its ridges and mountains. And the shape of many asteroids is irregular and some are spherical, and the energy released by the asteroid depends upon the diameter, density, velocity and the angle. And international astronomical science collaboration and NGOs like Spaceport India Foundation and others are giving awareness about the asteroids and other space programs. Thank you.